Okay guys, after I posted this mobile strategy in my last video, and of course so many people were asking questions on how easy it is for us to flip up a small trading account using this same strategy, and it's very easy. I'm going to explain further in this video and you're going to love every bit of it. Okay, however, before I go fully into it, I would like you guys to know that this video is for educational purpose, and if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, and feel free to drop your comments or your questions in the comment section. I will be there to reply. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, you can see the strategy, it's so beautiful. However, before I explain to you how it works, let me show you the setup first. Okay, so for you to have access to the setup, you click on this setup icon, and there are four major indicators right here, so we're going to check them out one after the other. The first one, which happen to be on the main chart, is this, so you can do this screenshot of it and have it done on your chart. Okay, and of course this is the second one, do the screenshot of it and have it done on your chart. Okay, and of course let's go to the window indicator. The first one under the window indicator is this, do the screenshot of it and have it done, and the last one is this, guys. So you guys should take advantage of the opportunity right away. Now let's see how the indicator or the setup will work for us. Let's start with a sell signal. Here is a resistance zone, and of course if it's unable to break out from there, then the CIT should happen, and of course it happened around here. Okay, but before we will be sure that it's going to happen, we need to confirm it from the window indicator. Okay, so now let's do our confirmation. Where do we have this? It is already around 90, which means that the market have overbought. Okay, so if it is not breaking out from the resistance zone up here, then definitely it should sell. Okay, so we should just wait for the signal to go into a sell trend. Okay, and the signal came out here. The signal came out here where we had a downward crossing. Okay, and of course it means we should sell right here, but at the top right here we should leave it. We should set our stop loss there, and of course you can see we are able to sell right from there to this very moment. Okay, and of course check it out. So which means if you set up your sell order around there, and of course you set your stop loss right there, you should exit the market once the signals get to 30. Okay, and if you don't want to exit the market, make sure you lock up 80% of your profit and expose 20% of it into the market, and to see if you can make more profit. And you can see it still made more profit right from there. So this is so beautiful and so unique. So that is how you do your calculations. It is as easy as that. Okay, now let's see more, guys. Let's see a buy signal. We got a buy signal around here. Around here is where we got the buy signal, and of course right here we should have our stop loss. Okay, and the reason is this market, when you check your confirmation settings, okay, you will notice that it has gone below 20 around 10. Okay, so it means that the market has oversold already. So if it's not going to break out from this support zone, then definitely it should go back into a buy trend. So all you just need to do is to wait for the right opportunity to go into the trade, and we got it around here, and of course you can see it kept on buying. So where should you exit the market for a buy signal? You should exit at 70, but if you don't want to exit, make sure you lock up 80% of it and expose 20% of the profit into the market in order for you to make more profit for yourself right from there. It is as easy as that. You've seen the setup, guys. You've seen you've gotten the information or the explanation on how you can put it into use. Kindly go ahead to your chart right now, have the setup done, and of course practice it on your demo account today, so that you see how profitable it is before you now go into your real account. I will be stopping right there. If you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.